There genuinely is no reason why you missed that trade. You cannot say you missed it. It gave you 25 minutes of opportunity to enter. Good morning. Welcome back, my fellow traders and my future millionaires. Now, guys, this is an update as far as the journey from turning an evaluation account into a funded account. Now, if you guys didn't watch the last video, we did lose a few funded accounts via not keeping the subscription, which you didn't realize if you don't pass within a month. Also, keeping your subscription too as well open, you will lose the account. So what we had to do was actually restart this month, and we're gonna 2x the speed. So as you can see here, we are scalping, we are taking hella trades, and this is my trades from yesterday. I was in major drawdown in the morning, and then I finally got back up out of the water. And here too as well, guys, we took 4 trades last night. One of them was just a random one, so let's not include that one. So we took 3 trades last night, one being on MES, another one being on gold. Literally 150 gain on MES, 150 loss on gold, back to back. 45-minute hold on MES, 5-minute hold on gold. Literally 45 minutes just to gain 150, and then 5 minutes took me out to lose 150 off gold. So trading gold is wild. Anyways, then today, guys, or sorry, that was today. So here we are. We're gonna speed run this evaluation. Now, unfortunately, I literally lost all those accounts that I just previously purchased as far as the evaluations. So we're just gonna run it up with one. We're gonna run it up with one, we're gonna stick with one, and we're gonna pass one here, and then we're gonna buy another 3 and trade them. Just right now, we're just gonna speed run this one. I just wanna give you guys a quick update. Let's see how much money we can make today. Let's see what we can do. And guys, I have been live recording every single trade I have been taking. As well as I have another video that I'm gonna drop with a full day's worth of trades, literally 3 trades back to back, and I recorded all of them. So it's like hours worth of video clipped down to 30 seconds. Appreciate you guys tuning on in. And guys, if you want to get into trading and it's your first year learning about this stuff, I recommend to join a community like mine, where you pick up the terminology every single day. You learn about trading, you learn how to trade, as well as you're a part of a community that is full of love. No hate, no judgment. We're not out here criticizing much. Trading is one of those things where you necessarily can't tell somebody what's best for them. They kind of just have to figure it out and experience it for themselves to realize what works and what doesn't. So that being said, guys, I'm not going to pressure you to stick to my strategy. I'm going to see what your strategy is, and I'm going to help you just apply risk management. I'm going to ask you where your stop loss is at. I'm going to make sure you're not over leveraging, as well as even over trading or re-entering your position, getting out too early, getting out too fast, just to re-enter again. Like, that is horrible. For struggling with all those kinds of things, guys, that's what I'm here for. So with all that being said, see you guys in there, and let's have a great day. Market's about to open in 3 minutes. We just finished recording the most fire trade. This is a live trade right here. I'm gonna zoom all the way to the very end, but as you guys can see, it is insane. At one point we was in drawdown, so I'm gonna post this and add this too, but guys, insane. Guys, there genuinely is no reason why you missed that trade. Anybody missed that trade in the Discord chat at all? I posted it in the Discord early in the morning that, guys, if buyers take control right away, first 5-15 minutes of market being open, then I'm going to capture the retest. I even gave levels on not only SPY, but also MES as well. So not only did, literally, again, you cannot say you missed it. It gave you 25 minutes of opportunity to enter this trade here with me. 25 minutes. That trade printed. So very glad we're gonna end the day here. It's Friday, very solid week. And again, we're gonna speed run through this. We're gonna speed run through this funded, guys. So first 3 days, 1,150. Next week, we're gonna try to do the same thing, and next week again. Such a great Friday, guys. Such a great week as well. And we're just gonna end it here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video with the live trades. We're gonna probably start doing that more often, as well as even voice over some live trades as well. And I hope you guys have a great ass week.